don't know if you can see, but under my bush is a cat. And he is a very old, beat-up cat. He looks like he's blind in one eye, he's limping, and he's scared of us, but he can't run away. And I think he's deaf, because it takes a long time before he realizes anyone is there. But he comes out, sleeps under that pine tree, and he sleeps here in the sun. I've been giving him food and water. I really don't know what to do for the poor little guy. My cat died about 1.5 years ago, and he's buried right over here. And he looks exactly like this cat. So the first time that I saw him laying there, all I could think of was Stephen King's Pet Cemetery. It was so weird. But I feel so bad for this little man. I wish I could do more for this poor little guy. I feel so bad. I might call the SPCA, but I don't know if he'll be here when they get here. And I don't want to stress them out too much either. Poor little man.